I'm about to show you how to delete your Instagram account in 2026. Let's jump in. Now, I'm on Instagram on my iPhone and my Android phone. We need to first get to your settings. So you'll be able to see at the very bottom right, tap on your profile. And then let's get into your settings here. And within the settings, it looks the exact same on both devices. We're going to get into the account center next, and you'll be able to see the option to delete your account here. Now, all we need to do is go in here, and it's the exact same on both devices. You're going to make sure that we're choosing Instagram on this list, and it will default to deactivating your account, but we want to choose delete instead. So just tap on delete and hit continue. Now, it will say all of the things you lose access, including threads. Let's just hit continue. And then it doesn't matter what you say here. You can just hit continue. And then we'll just hit to no continue with deletion. And then again, it might want to say to export information. We can just hit continue. Now, the second and last step, you'll just enter in the password for your account. Keep in mind, after you do delete it, you can always get it back and recover it within 30 days.